Hey guys, Chad here. I just wanted to make a really quick follow-up video to the Vaxee XE wireless. On the first copy that Vaxee sent me, it had really bad pre-travel on the left click and a lot of post-travel on the right. And then also the front side button had a ton of pre-travel, so much so that you could just touch the side button without even activating the switch and it would make a ton of noise. So here's a quick sound test of the old mouse with the crappy clicks and the new one, which sounds and feels way better. A lot of pre-travel. Yep, way better.